Ah, there's Barney. So Arthur must be around here somewhere.
Hello, everyone. I am Boris Badger. It is time for me to inspect your lettuces and award this rosette to the winner.
I hope Barney's big lettuce wins. Ooh!
Lovely lettuce, Mrs. Mopsy.
Ooh!
Very good, Mr. Hopalop.
It's Barney's turn now. My lettuce! Oh. Oops. Excuse me.
Oh, no.
Does this mean Barney won't get the rosette, Boris?
I'm afraid so. Sorry, Barney, but your lettuce doesn't count if it's in a caterpillar's tummy. The prize for biggest lettuce goes to Mr. Hopalop.
Hooray!